Hazrat Salim bin Abul Jad reporting the aforementioned hadith from Hazrat Jabir bin Abdullah radiyallahu anhu said, I along with the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam found that the time of Asr prayer became due, but there was nothing except a little leftover water which was poured into a vessel and brought to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam inserted his hand into it and then opened his fingers. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, those who want to perform ablution should come and benefit themselves with Allah's blessing. I observed water gushing out from between his fingers, so the people performed the ablution and drank the water. So I left no stone unturned to fill my belly, for I considered it blessed. Salim bin Abul Jad submitted to Hazrat Jabir, how many persons were you that day? He said, 1400. Amr bin Dinar also corroborated him from Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu. Hussain and Amr bin Murrah from Salim and he from Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu reports 1500. And Sayyid bin Musayyab corroborated him from Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 5639.